Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the three type of breakfast. Let's see what we are preparation. First we will take one piece cucumber, slice, then avocado, one pieces, Philippe creamy cheese, salt, chili flakes, black pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. First we are all the cucumber we will keep in the clean plate. Then we put the creamy cheese, avocado slice, chili flakes, salt, pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and we will make a roll. Now we go to the next step. First we put one pan in the butter, garlic, onion. Then we put the mushroom. We'll cook a little bit. Now we will put the beef bacon. Beef bacon almost salty, so we are not add too much salt, just a little bit salt and black pepper. Now we put the next step. We make the spinach batter for the pancake. First we will put some butter on the pan. Then we put 1 cup of batter. To be moving that one like a pancake. Now we are little bit folding. Now we are make before step it. That one you put in the side. Then we will fold in again. But before you folding, we put the mozzarella cheese in a yellow cheddar cheese. Now we will go third step. We put the salt, pepper, onion, garlic, tomato, and coriander leaves. You cube salmon. We make the salmon tart. Before we are keep make that. Put together food. We make the salmon and food tart. We make the all micro herbs and garnishing. The leaves have grapes, dragon fruits, all the micro herbs we are at now. We put in the top some creamy cheese. So almost done. Now we are going to the plating. First we are cut our cheese roll. Then we put in the plate. One by one all we are putting. See, three type of item ready. We have put three type of sauce also on the jalapeno. And we make this all the garnishing now. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you for another new video. Take care. Bye bye.